What's up, guys? Mark here, Wired Kustoms Motorsports. As many of you know, we recently picked up Audio Dynamics. Audio Dynamics is a made in USA engineered product. They have from entry level all the way up to high end products. They do have an entire lineup. When I state entire lineup, I mean they have speakers, subwoofers, amplifiers, DSP. They have a whole line of products to choose from. Now, we got in our second order. The first order, I did not do like an unboxing or anything, but I'm gonna go ahead and roll with it, and we'll do an unboxing video here. We have two 12s that we're doing a package and an ATV, and we're going to be running that on 1100 watts in an ATV. We did this about 3 weeks ago and it was crazy loud for an open air environment. This time it's a little bit more power, a little bit higher quality of an amplifier, a lot bigger box. We did a 4th order bandpass. It's going to be pretty loud. The box is going to look really nice. We did some white interior. It's going to have 2 plexiglass pieces, some work on the CNC machine, purple lights to go along with the ATV. So here's part of it right here. Packaged well, which is actually really important. Audio Dynamics 1150/1 at 1 ohm, 16 volt capable. Not that you would ever run it at 16. If you ever cut a box open like that, be really careful. You have to, the amplifier is right underneath it. Right underneath it. Alright, so that's the amplifier. You do get a bass knob, and of course the manual. That's it right there. Crossovers, low pass, subsonic, and your sensitivity. It does have an output, and output isn't used often, but when you need it, it's very important. And the remote gain control. Now we're going to open up these speakers here. These are the 2000 series. It's called the 2212. But
I think they're 600. I think they're like 600.
if I remember correctly, I do have to double check, but I believe these are rated at 600 RMS. And these are also packaged very well. I bring that up because packaging is really important. You don't want your amplifier that you just spent a lot of cash on to have been thrown around by UPS and everything. Pretty nice, huh? Looks like it. Looks just like it. It's got double stitching, which is a plus. That's the 2000 series. It is not their entry level. It's one series above their entry level, and there's a few more series above the 2212 here. Oh, that's cool. It's got an FS of 32. The Dual 4 has an FS of 34. And FS is not an indicator of how low the speaker can play. However, it is a spec that you would want to check into depending upon the type of music that you were going to play in relation to the tuning of the speaker enclosure. All right, guys, if you have any questions or if this interests you, please visit wiredcustomsmotorsports.com.